Hey there, imagine trying to push a heavy boulder up a hill. If you try to move it all at once, it's overwhelming and exhausting. But what if instead you nudged it a little each day? Eventually, those small efforts would add up and you'd get the boulder to the top. This concept applies to self-improvement too. Many people get discouraged because they think change has to be drastic and immediate. In reality, real lasting change often comes from small, consistent actions rather than one big leap. So how do you harness the power of small changes? Here are 5 steps to get you started. First, identify a single goal. Start with one small goal. It could be something as simple as drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, meditating for 5 minutes, or writing down one thing you're grateful for each day. Second, be consistent. Commit to doing this small task daily. Consistency turns actions into habits, and habits become a part of who you are. Third, celebrate small wins. Every time you achieve a small goal, take a moment to acknowledge it. Rewarding yourself for small wins creates a positive association with the action. Fourth, gradually increase your efforts. Once a small change feels like a natural part of your routine, build on it. For example, if you start with 5 minutes of daily reading, increase it to 10 minutes once it feels comfortable. Fifth, practice patience. Change takes time, but if you stay consistent, you'll notice progress. Remind yourself that each small step is bringing you closer to your larger goals. So what's the key takeaway here? Small actions may feel insignificant on their own, but they can create a massive impact over time. Embrace the power of small, consistent changes and watch how they transform your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. Until next time, keep pushing that boulder.